Hey, what's poppin', guys? So I am back with another super easy and super cheap crochet hairstyle. I'll be using the same hair that I actually used in my previous video, which, by the way, if you have not seen that video yet, make sure you go and check out that video after you're done watching this. Make sure you go check it out. I'm using the same hair, the same technique, except in my previous video I curled it and it's super fast too, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, so I actually decided to cut the hair again. This time I cut it shorter than the other time, but it still ended up being super long. So, you know, you do what you want to do. You got to make sure you pre-stretch the hair. And what I found to make this so much faster is I pre-section the hair. So I use this cool rack that my mom got for her clients because she's a hairstylist. Go follow my mom on Instagram, by the way. Follow her hair page. But yeah, I just kind of borrowed this and I separated the hair. And yo, listen, oh, by the way, you're seeing two little braids at the back. That's only because I have my undercut growing out and I really want to make sure it stays in. But those braids are not necessary. That's just because my undercut is really short. So I wanted just to make sure that it stayed in, but no braids are required for this. So a lot of you guys were panicking about the bun in the previous method that I used. So this is another technique you could use, guys. You could just like flatten it. I braided it, twisted it up, like just do whatever you want. The goal is to just make sure that it's flat enough or put away. So here I'm showing I started at 4:37 because I want to show you guys how fast this method is. Like I was saying before, you just have to make sure your hair is just put away at the back. The previous video I did a bun. Today I switched it up and I don't even know what you call this. I did like two ponytails and then I attached the ends. Like, just do whatever you want. It really doesn't matter what you do at the back. It's gonna be covered up anyway. But the reason why I didn't go in, oh look, you see, only 10 minutes, well 9 minutes it took me to finish the back. That's how fast this was. But yeah, like I was saying with the back, don't fuss up about how you're going to prepare the back to be crocheted. Just put it away. Just get it in a bun, in a braid, in cornrows, in plaits, in twists, whatever you gotta do to put it away. But today we're doing braidless, right? So I didn't want to use any braids, so I just put two ponytails and twisted the ends. I hope I didn't blabber too much. It's like 4 something in the morning. I haven't slept yet. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I really, really hope I do, because this video is going up as soon as I'm done this, because I really want you guys to see this. But yeah, so I went ahead in the front and I did regular crochet. Like I mentioned in my previous video, it's so important that you don't put too much hair in your head. I think that's the trick to really making this style work. Don't overstuff your hair. Make big spaces. Like, you don't need a lot of hair. I only used 2 full packs and I had a little bit of hair left over from my previous video, so I'm going to show you guys how it looked after, and I used that as well. So technically I only used 2 new packs and I just found some scrap hair in my closet. So if you don't want to go to the store, go ahead. Oh, and I think this is a good opportunity for me to explain why I'm going to call this $6. So here in Montreal, this hair costs $3 per pack, but most of you guys who watch my videos are from the States, and you guys actually get this hair cheaper. So you guys get this hair for $2. I actually had someone comment on my video saying they actually get it 3 for $5. Oh, by the way, that's the extra hair that I got from my previous video that I'm using just for this section. So what you're seeing in right now is 2 packs. And for the side part, well, for this side that I'm doing right now, is just the extra hair from my previous video. So you can use any scrap hair. You don't have to go and buy hair. I know y'all have scrap hair somewhere, okay? Now, I can't remember what I was saying before, and I'm so upset. Wow. Anyway, we're moving on. I really hope I'm making sense, guys. I'm just so tired, but I really want to get this video done for y'all. So yeah, I'm just crocheting it as usual. I'm so mad I can't remember what I was saying before. I could actually pause this recording right now, but I'm not going to because I just want to finish this in one shot. By the way, guys, I did not prep my hair properly. That's another thing. Go and watch my previous video to see how I prepped my hair, okay? I'm showing you guys right now the invisible knot method. Remember, you only pull one side through, and you're going to use thin pieces around your part so that it looks like it's coming from your scalp, which you're going to see really soon. Y'all already know the invisible knot method. It's been used countless times here on YouTube, and it's very, very effective for a natural looking part, okay? But make sure you guys go check out my previous video to see how I prepped my hair for this. The reason why my hair is such a mess is because I took down the previous style, threw on a wig and never fixed it again. So you see how natural that looks? I think it looks really, really cool how natural it is. But yeah, go and check out my previous videos to see how to prep your hair properly so it's not like this hot mess. But I'm doing a takedown video right after I'm done installing this, so I didn't want to go and fix up my hair just to take it down, you know? But yeah, so I finished the invisible knot method, and the back took me 10 minutes, as you guys saw, and the front took me about 20 minutes. So in total, it took me approximately 30 minutes, a little bit less to install everything, minus the distractions that I had around me. But yeah, once you're done, you want to go ahead and detangle the hair. I'm using a very wide tooth comb. Start at the end and work your way up to the top. And just, yeah, clear up the hair because we're about to straighten it. And what was I doing? My siblings were in my room and I was just having a fun time with them. So I have this really cool tool. It's a thermal brush that I received from Duval a while ago, yeah. And I'm pretty sure I have a coupon code. I think I have a coupon code. I'm gonna find it if I have one and put it in the description box below. But this is like one of my mom's favorite tools. She almost always uses this on her clients. So it's basically for, as you know, if you ain't trying to blow dry your hair, because blow drying takes some time, and you ain't really trying to flat iron your hair, this is a really good in between. So look how nicely it flat ironed the hair. Well, not flat iron, it straightened the hair, and it's just so much quicker, and it's detangling the hair as you do it as well. So it was just so easy to use this tool. I absolutely loved using it for this, and I put it on the max. Believe it or not, I started out at the minimum and then I realized I had to use it at the max. So, and it did not burn the hair. So yeah, I really like this tool. I'm gonna try and leave the coupon code, if I have one, in the description box, but I will leave the link. If I don't, please remind me in the comments, because sometimes I'll re-promise and things and I'll forget. But yeah, so I went ahead with this thermal brush, and then I went lightly, very lightly with a flat iron afterwards on the lowest heat setting. So for this here, guys, it's very important to know that this specific style, this straight style, y'all remember this is Kanekalon here. It is synthetic. A lot of you guys asked me if you could go swimming with it, if you could go like a month with it. Listen, look, let's calm down. Let's be realistic. This style takes 45 minutes to do. It's super quick to go in and it's super quick to come out. Okay, so I would say the maximum amount of time you the maximum amount of time you can wear this hair for is for the straight, I'm not even gonna say 2 weeks. I would say a week max. But honestly, I would only do this for like if I have an event that I need to go to and I need my hair to look poppin', and like I got a weave in or a wig in, then I would rock it, you know, just for one day and then take it out, or 2 days. I wouldn't keep this in for more than that, because then you're giving yourself a lot of work to just fix it up. But some of y'all are really good at taking care of your hair, so you could leave it in longer. But it's not a long-lasting style, guys. It could last up to 2 weeks. The curly hair that I did in my previous video lasts up to 2 weeks, okay? But this straight one, I really would say just rock it for a day or two and take it out. Like, why stress up? It's only like $5 for some of y'all, okay? So yeah. Oh, I think that's what I was saying earlier. Someone told me that they get it 3 for $5 at their store. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm just blabbering. But I don't think I really needed to explain what I was doing there to take down that hair, but I still will, because I got a few more seconds to explain. So you're just gonna cut the hair as close to the roots as you want. And I don't know how to explain how to take it out except to say just pull and it comes out. It slides out. No pain, no damage. It's such a good protective style. Like, it does not damage your hair at all. I only knot my hair once. I don't think you should knot the crochet hair, that is. I don't think you should knot it more than once, because I think it's just safer for your hair. But yeah, it just comes out so easily, guys. Like, it's so easy. Y'all were panicking. How you gonna take it out? Look how easy it's coming out. I'm gonna show y'all in real time. Like, look, it's so simple. I don't know. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share it, okay? Share this video with a friend. Let me know your thoughts on this style, if you would do it as just a quickie, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. And I'm thinking of doing a little series to show you guys how you could really manipulate this hair. Kanekalon hair is a very versatile hair, and it's super cheap, y'all. And I have so many ideas. I think I'm just gonna throw them at you. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.